Okay, what I'm going to do, I've got 6 magazines, 3 pistol, 3 rifle, and I've got each of them loaded with 2 rounds. I've got 3 targets up there. What I'm going to do is put 2 rounds per magazine in each target, and there'll be a reload in between each target and each transition. I'm going to go through my rifle and then go through my pistol and see how that works, see what kind of times I can get. This is the first time I've ever tried this. I just thought it would be a good drill. So let's see what we can do. All right, 1753. Check out these targets. Here's my time. Got 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, check out this target. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4 in there. Got a double there. 1, 2, 3, 4 in there. And 1, 2, 3, 4 in there. That time was 17.30. 120. One, 2, 0. That was 1, 1, 9.